hackers and cyber warriors, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Zphisher in Kali Linux, a powerful tool to create phishing pages in seconds. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash the like if you're into ethical hacking, cybersecurity, and hacking tools tutorials. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. I do not promote illegal activities. Always use tools like Zphisher for ethical testing and with proper authorization. All right, let's dive in. First step: make sure your Kali Linux system is updated. Next, install Git if you don't have it already. Step 1. Clone Zphisher. Boom! We've got Zphisher on our system. Now, let's run the script. Step 2. Run Zphisher. You'll see this menu pop up with options like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and more. Step 3. Choose your target. For this demo, let's go with Instagram. Select the number and then choose the type of phishing page: classic login, advanced, or something fancy. Step 4. Choose tunnel method. Now, Zphisher will ask how you want to host the page. I recommend using Ngrok. It's free and it just works, if needed. If it asks to install PHP, curl, or wget, just type. Step 5. Share the phishing link. Once the page is live, Zphisher gives you a public link. Copy that and share it with your target, only if you have permission. Step 6. Capture credentials. When the victim clicks and enters their info, bam! Their username and password will show up right here in your terminal. Logs are saved in files like ip.txt and username.toddyxt.